Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. Today we are discussing about AJAX. AJAX is a form of JavaScript and XML, and you can say AJAX is the art of exchanging data with the server and updating parts of a web page without reloading the whole web page. In other words, AJAX allows web pages to be updated asynchronously by exchanging a small amount of data with the server behind the scene. If applications are not using AJAX, then it will have to reload the web page on every request user made. In this tutorial, I will be covering all basic and important facts you should know before working on AJAX-based application. Actually, it is important to understand that AJAX is not a single technology, but a group of technologies: HTML, CSS, DOM, and JavaScript. HTML and CSS can be used in combination to mark up and style information. The DOM is accessed with JavaScript to dynamically display and allow the user to interact with the information presented. JavaScript and the XML HTTP request object provide a method for exchanging data asynchronously between browser and server to avoid full page reloads. In recent years, essence of XML has been reduced. JSON is often used as an alternative format for data interchange, although other formats such as pre-formatted HTML or plain text can also be used for data purpose. So thank you guys for today, and in upcoming my tutorial we will discuss about how AJAX works. So thank you for liking my video